Don't ever hit a man's table.
Payback's a bitch, ain't it, Mike? What happened there?
Oh, you know what the hell happened? You think you could do better?
It's a good possibility.
Bring it on.
We got those got those Hurricane kits from Weld Metals Online.
Oh yeah?
Do a little competition with those.
What's the wager? What do you want to do?
How about loser buys the crew smash burger for lunch?
All right. I'm feeling that chocolate milkshake right now.
Oh, you are done, sir.
Bring it on.
A couple people have been asking where Mike's been. He's still hanging out in the shop, talking just as much smack as ever. He fancies himself a pretty good TIG welder, so hopefully today we're going to go ahead and shut him up. All right, so I'm going to pick a machine. Mike's going to pick a machine. Pretty much no rules. You can run whatever filler metal you want as long as you're running TIG welding process. Cameraman's going to bounce back and forth. We're going to show you guys what's going on behind the scenes. We're going to put a divider between Mike and I so we can't see what the other's doing, but we'll still be able to talk ample amount of smack between the two of us. We'll go ahead and put 90 minutes on the clock and let's get to it.
2 seconds later.
All right, got everything out of the bag. We're going to go ahead and start
Shut up,
cleaning these
Redbeard.
pieces up.
Let's go, guys.
All right.
We don't need him. We got this, Mancub team. All right, I'm gonna talk about the prep work. So I'm gonna take the red furred pad right here on the furred grinder. Basically go around this whole edge right here. I'm gonna get all the mill scale off. I'm gonna get this burr off right here. See all this dross from the plasma cutter? We're gonna get all that off. Then I'm gonna take lacquer thinner here on a rag and wipe that a couple of times where there's no more residue, or dirt on this rag. We want it really clean when we're welding. We don't want no contamination. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this stuff. Hi guys, how you doing? Money, baby.
Go ahead and clean these pieces up, get my machine dialed in. 14 gauge material, that's about 75 thousandths. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my machine about 75, 80 amps. Basically gonna make the whole form of the piece. And then I've got some tie wire that I'm gonna wrap around the end, twist it up so it holds it all in one solid piece. Put a couple shims up underneath so that everything's flat, level. And then I'm just gonna start working around, tack everything up on both sides. And then just kind of work around so I don't get a lot of heat distortion. I'm a professional.
Yeah, professional at losing.
Dick,
What?
give me some, go ahead, plug my air back in.
Oh, this air?
Yeah,
Oh.
that air.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you needed that.
Waiting on you, Mike.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, look who it is.
You're gonna leave all that rust? A real welder goes through their whole piece really good.
You've obviously never worked in production. All right, I'm already cleaned and tacked. Still got about an hour left out of this 90-minute work deal. I'm gonna go ahead and take lunch while he's still over there polishing his pipe. This time tomorrow, it's gonna be a smash burger. How's it going, Mike? You know, Mike, watching you work, I think I've lost my appetite.
Wait a minute. Check this out, guys. He's been over there talking crap the whole time. This ain't gonna look this good. This is grade A right here, baby. right that time. Oh my. Quit looking over here.
Sounds like Mike's having a hell of a time over there putting his piece together, and he just went to the bathroom. So why don't we do the, you know, the good brotherly thing, give him a hand with it. Go ahead and get it nice and neat for him. I guess he should have went before he left the house.
What the fuck? Dude,
What's up, Mike?
Dude, I cannot get this.
Still putting that thing together, Mikey?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Don't for me.
I gotta go. Oh my god.
Hey, Mike, I got extra pieces over here.
See what happens
Need
when
that?
I burn your beard again. This is the 4th dang time I'm doing this. Now it's game on, guys.
Oh, you dick.
Oh, that's satisfying, guys. Let's do this. No flinching. I let go. You blew my shoot again.
Done.
Dude, seriously, I love my bubbly sparkling water.
And now, we wait.
Well, guys,
Still waiting on Mancub. It'd be kind of nice if we could get done so we can go home, but we gotta wait on him.
whatever.
Done! About time. All right, guys, that's it. That's the, now I understand why they call it the Hurricane Challenge Kit. It was, some parts were pretty difficult. What do you think, Mike?
It was fun. I had lots of fun running with 316 wire in there.
That looks good, man. Yours turned out really good. I mean, it took a lot of time polishing, but, you missing a weld?
Yeah, I'm missing a weld, but let's look at yours over
Wait,
there.
wait, hold on. Are you missing an entire back side of this thing.
I see you gotta call me out.
All right.
And I don't call you out?
I'm just saying, I mean, I finished.
What's this right here?
That's where you hit it with a
I hit
60-10
with
rod.
a 60-10 rod.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so tell us who won, myself or Mancub. Losers got to buy lunch for the Weld.com crew over at Smashburger. Tell us what you think in the comments. Go ahead, check out weldmetalsonline.com and get a Hurricane kit for yourself. Until next time, make every weld better than your last.
You, Jason. I seen that little look. Ah, you
Hey guys, we're gonna need you to send us another table. This one's got a big dent in the middle. I'm gonna drop you like a head of acid on the first day of Woodstock.
Next time you do that, I'm gonna shove my boot so far up, you're gonna be tasting my 10.5 leather boot up your mouth. Or in your mouth.
Cut. Payback's a bitch, ain't it, Mike?
Don't ever touch a guy's table while he's welding.
You can't cuss.
All right, bring him out.
All right, what's the wager?
I don't even know that name of that burger place, dude.
If you ever come back to Chuck E. Cheese again. You son of a bitch.
Jason!
What's up, Mike?
What? I couldn't think of anything.
This man talks all day and doesn't say a damn word.
You talk, Jason!
Hey, Mike.
Shut up!
Hey, Mike.
Hey!
Make sure they put an egg on my burger.
Shut up. Jason! I got it done. See?
Finally.
I know.
Now you just need some welds on there.
It looks better without no welds.
Yeah, it does.
Damn it, I walked right in that one.